Today we are going to learn the ABCs with fun animals and countries. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator. Yes, alligator. A is for Argentina. Yes, Argentina. B is for butterfly. Yes, butterfly. B is for Brazil. Yes, Brazil. C is for cat. Yes, cat. C is for Canada. Yes, Canada. D is for dog. Yes, dog. D is for Denmark. Yes, Denmark. E is for elephant. Yes, elephant. E is for Egypt. Yes, Egypt. F is for fish. Yes, fish. F is for France. Yes, France. G is for giraffe. Yes, giraffe. G is for Germany. Yes, Germany. H is for horse. Yes, horse. H is for Hungary. Yes, Hungary. I is for iguana. Yes, iguana. I is for India. Yes, India. J is for jaguar. Yes, jaguar. J is for Japan. Yes, Japan. K is for kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo. K is for Kenya. Yes, Kenya. L is for lion. Yes, lion. L is for Luxembourg. Yes, Luxembourg. M is for monkey. Yes, monkey. M is for Mexico. Yes, Mexico. N is for narwhal. Yes, narwhal. N is for Norway. Yes, Norway. O is for owl. Yes, owl. O is for Oman. Yes, Oman. P is for penguin. Yes, penguin. P is for Portugal. Yes, Portugal. Q is for quail. Yes, quail. Q is for Qatar. Yes, Qatar. R is for rabbit. Yes, rabbit. R is for Russia. Yes, Russia. S is for snake. Yes, snake. S is for Spain. Yes, Spain. T is for tiger. Yes, tiger. T is for Thailand. Yes, Thailand. U is for unicorn. Yes, unicorn. U is for Uganda. Yes, Uganda. V is for vulture. Yes, vulture. V is for Vietnam. Yes, Vietnam. W is for whale. Yes, whale. W is for whales. Yes, whales. X is for X-ray fish. Yes, X-ray fish. X is for... no country starts with X, but X marks the spot. Y is for yak. Yes, yak. Y is for Yemen. Yes, Yemen. Z is for zebra. Yes, zebra. Z is for Zambia. Yes, Zambia. Wow! You did an amazing job learning the ABCs with animals and countries.